Alright, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to teach you a really cool trick by Harry Lorraine known as Aces and Kings. It has a great kicker ending and it's one of my favorite tricks of all time, but it does require a setup, okay? So the aces, they're going to go in chased order, so from left to right: clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds. And the kings, they're going to go in what's called as shocked order. Shocked means the spade, the heart, clubs, and diamonds, okay? So the first king, the king of spades, is going to go in the 8th position from the bottom, okay? So 3, 6, 7, 8. And the king of hearts is going to go in the 12th position, so 9, 10, 11, 12. The king of clubs will go in the 16th position, so 13, 14, 15, 16. And you're going to remember the 21st card, so 17, 18, 19, 20, and the 21st card right here is the two of diamonds, and the 26th card will be the king of diamonds, okay? So 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26, okay? So let me recap real quick. The king of spades is going to go in the 8th position. The king of hearts will go in the 12th position. The king of clubs will go in the 16th position. The 21st card will be your key card, in this case the two of diamonds, and the king of diamonds will go in the 26th position. And once again, the aces are set up in chased order: clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds, okay? So you're going to turn the packet face down and turn the aces face down as well, okay? Now you're going to push off 4 cards and deal it to the first ace, which is the ace of clubs. Do not reverse the order of these cards. You're going to spread 3 cards and deal it to the next ace. The next 3 cards deal it to the third ace. And the last ace, you're going to take the rest of the packet and drop it on top, okay? Now you're going to reverse the order and reverse the 5 cards to the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to drop the rest of the packet on top. Now you're going to pick up the first and the third pile and put it to the next pile. Take the left pile that's remaining and drop it on top, okay? Now you're going to remember the key card, in this case the 21st position, which was the two of diamonds, and you're going to cut to that two of diamonds right here, and you're going to do what is known as an infaro, which means you're going to add a card on top of the deck. So, but it has to be a perfect infaro, okay? So that's the next step. Okay, as you can see, this is a perfect faro, and you can see that it's an infaro because you can see I added a card on top, and then you're gonna riffle the cards together. Now you're gonna take the tally ho card case and you're gonna explain how you're gonna spell to each word. You're gonna start with a doggedy, tally ho, plain, and then cards, okay? So you're gonna first spell out a doggedy. I'll keep the packet right here, the case right here in full view. A doggedy. A-D-O-U-G-H-E-R-T, and then on the Y you will find the first ace, okay? Now keep in mind that after that you're gonna deal the card after the last letter. So watch what happens when you spell tally ho. The way you're gonna spell it is like this: T-A-L-L-Y-H-O, and then after the O you deal the next card down, okay, which will be the next ace. And as you can see, the aces are going back in chased order. Then you're going to spell plain. You're going to do the exact same thing. Plain, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, until the next card down, which will be the third ace. And now here's a kicker. You're going to spell the word cards, but watch what happens. You're going to do the exact same thing. C-A-R-D-S. You're going to turn the next card over. Now the spectator is going to think that you messed up. You're going to turn this card face down, and you're going to talk about how in the bottom corner there is a number 9, and let's see what happens when you count down to 9. So then you're going to count down 9 cards: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9th card should be the final ace. You're going to take this packet and drop it to the last remaining packet. Now the spectator is going to think that the trick is completely done, but here's the big kicker, hence the name Aces and Kings, because when you snap your fingers over the 4 packets through any magical gesture, you're going to see that, look, the first king of diamonds matches that ace of diamonds, that king of spades matches that ace of spades, that king of hearts matches that ace of hearts, and of course that king of clubs matches that ace of clubs. And that is known as Aces and Kings by Harry Lorraine.